we are going to discuss about second law of crystallography. The second law of crystallography is His law of rational intercepts of indices. This law states that the intercepts of planes of various phases of a crystal are small integral multiples of the intercepts made by standard or unit plane. It can also be stated in another way. That is, this law states that this law states that the intercepts of any plane को phase भी बोलेंगे, any phase of a crystal along the crystallography axis are either equal to the unit intercepts, that is intercepts made by unit plane, which are denoted by small a, b and c, or some small whole number multiples of them. Such a ratio of three intercepts of any plane is given by LA, MA and NA, where L, M and N are small whole number and A, B, C are intercepts made by unit plane along crystallographic axis. Two crystals of the same substance may differ considerably in appearance, that in number, size and shape of the individual faces. Two cases of the same substance may differ considerably in appearance, that in number, size and shape of the individual faces. In order to describe the external form of crystals, a mathematical method of relating planes to certain imaginary lines in space is used. The position of any plane can be uniquely fixed by the intercept it make on the axis of reference. The ratio of the distances from the origin at which the crystal face cuts the crystallographic axis is known as the parameter of a crystal face. The ratio of the distances from the origin at which the crystal face cut the crystallographic axis is known as the parameter of a crystal face. यहाँ पे देखिए एक्सप्लेनेशन, ये देखिए ए ओ है, यहाँ से एक्स वाई जेड ये तीन जो हमारे एक्सिस है, एक्स वाई जेड ए एक्सिस है. लेट्स ओ एक्स ओ वाई एंड ओ जेड रिप्रेजेंट द थ्री क्रिस्टलोग्राफिक एक्सिस एंड ये जो है एंगल्स है अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा. अल्फा बीटा एंड गामा जो है एंगल्स है. एंड ए बी सी बी अ यूनिट प्लेन. ए वन जो है पूरा ये यूनिट प्लेन है. ए बी एंड सी जो है फर्स्ट यूनिट प्लेन है. द यूनिट इंटरसेप्ट्स will then be a b and c, small a small b and small c. if any plane p q r, ये दूसरा देखिए यूनिट प्लेन है p q and r, cut the three axes with intercepts x y and z, then according to law of rational intercepts. क्या है rational intercepts? OP इक्वल टू x इक्वल टू LA. OR क्या होगा y and a MB. OQ क्या है Z है NC. Where intercepts of unit plane ABC of three axes are OA equal to small a, OB equal to small b and OC equal to small c. And intercepts of any plane PQ are parallel to ABC on three axes are OP equal to x, OR क्या है y and OZ क्या होगा z. Hence the ratio x y z का रेशियो क्या होगा LA MB and C. Where the multiple L M and N, जो L M and N है इज स्मॉल होल नंबर्स. स्मॉल L M and N क्या है हमारा स्मॉल होल नंबर्स. बट दिस इज नॉट ऑलवेज ट्रू. This may also be fractional as well as infinity. स्मॉल a स्मॉल b c जो है यूनिट इंटरसेप्ट्स है. स्मॉल a b c क्या है यूनिट इंटरसेप्ट्स, that is intercepts made by standard plane on crystallographic axis ox oy oz respectively. Importance of सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ क्रिस्टलोग्राफी या हेज लॉ ऑफ क्रिस्टलोग्राफी. The law of rational intercepts show that the regular external form of crystals in the reflection of the inner regular ordered arrangement of building units. These units are called unit cells. These units are called unit cell. This indeed in the foundation of crystallography and the basis of the crystal system. The idea of Hage law of rational intercept was confirmed more than a century later when the internal arrangement of particles, atoms, ions or molecules became known from X-ray diffraction studies.